Baby, that's my boy, you get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You see bump up the proper signs.
Yes, sir, I'm going. Yes, sir, I'm going. Jamaica. Yes, guys, so your girl is going to Jamaica. I am so ready, guys. I have not been back to Jamaica in like what, a year and a half now. 2017 July. Yo, I am so excited. It is January the 21st. It's a Monday, so I'm just here. I'm just waiting for my cousin until she comes home. I'm not even done putting on all my clothes. Like legit, I only have this shirt on, and I did my makeup. So this is my makeup look. I hope this is good lighting. I hope so. But yeah, ready for Jamaica. I did my own nails. But yeah, this is my hair. It is some 16-inch body wave Indian hair, girl. Yeah, Indian, you see me? Okay, guys, so this is my outfit of the day. So I have on this little burgundy tank top. I have my little side bag. I'm wearing these jeans with little 2 rips in it. I'm wearing my Gucci slides. Yeah. I'm actually gonna be putting on a leather jacket just because over here is very cold. Canada is, I don't know what's going on. It's like -30 outside, so I'm just gonna put on my little leather jacket, wear it through the airport and everything. When I'm in Jamaica, maybe I take it off, maybe I don't. I'm not sure, but this is my outfit of the day. Airport fit. Yes. Ah, you guys, you don't know how excited I am. Like, I keep saying it in the other clips because I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to see my boyfriend, yo. I haven't seen him in so long and I miss him so much. Oh boy, yes. See you at the airport. I was about to just turn off the camera. See y'all at the airport. Yes, my ride has came. Huh? Yo, going everywhere.
Every party, bro. Live it up, bro.
A lie.
Like, look at the weather. It'll be like -20 something here.
A lie. And just laugh.
I love.
Oh my god.
I know that feeling.
Go that way to Torbram. Later Canada. Later winter.
This shit, bro. You're so lucky.
So guys, there are problems at the airport. My bag was overweight, so I had to like keep on pulling stuff out and putting it in other places. Like, look how full my stuff are. I am so hot right now, but I don't mind. But I'm glad that I'm leaving. Kiki Shan. Where were you sitting? I was looking for you.
I was over there because there's no chargers over here.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm going all the way over there.
I didn't even see y'all. I'm vlogging.
Hi,
here,
guys.
hold the vlog.
Am I recording you?
You don't have to record me.
Record myself. No, taking flights out here. I don't even know if it's on you, but hey, at least we get to.
Me 7 bag overweight.
I seen it.
Bro, I had to pull up weird things. Those Chinese man weren't even like finessing it or anything.
They said you have to pay?
What kind of pay? Me pull up. Me 7 bag before.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is CC up in the building.
Toronto girls take on MBJ. So guys, it is currently 1:29. Our boarding time was supposed to be 1:20, but we haven't boarded yet, but we're just waiting. My flight is at 2. I never told you guys that. But yeah. Just here, about to download some songs so I can listen to it on the plane. I ain't gonna miss this cold ass weather. So we're boarding the flight now. We're just waiting for them to call our zone. We're in zone 2, so we're just waiting. I'm too friggin' empty right now. I just wanna leave. I just wanna sit on the plane and sit and eat because I'm tired. I didn't even eat this morning, so I know that. I guess I would take me out. Just there's our gate. There's a girly down. You ready, girly? Just touch down like.
Touch down like NASA.
Y'all shika pussy fatta. We don't touch down nowhere yet. We didn't even lift off yet. We're just in the waiting area to go onto the plane. That's the bridge or whatever you call it. And my phone is ringing. On the plane, I'm so happy I got a window seat. Keeks is actually right here, like yo, Cece's over there, but we're still all up in the same area. But yo, right at the back of the plane. I hate the back of the plane. I'm just waiting for it to take off and stuff so I can sleep. I'm ready for sleep. Good girl, I'm ready for sleep right now. Guys, it looks like I have an empty room. There's no one in my seat. Oh, I'm sorry. There's no one in my section. Very empty seats. Very comfortable. I reached Jamaica. Oh my god, it's so hot, but I'm not even complaining. I'm not taking off my jacket because Toronto was cold, so we're just skirting off of the sea right now. My nice clean auntie picked me up. Yes. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited right now. My vacation has finally begun. I was like to Kim Marmy said KFC I want.
Yeah, come back downtown.
I don't know.
You love Jamaica KFC.
Yes, and I've been on this diet, so I haven't been eating no carbs, no sugars, no nothing. Only nothing.
I was when you come back.
Yeah. I did the diet specifically for this to lose weight.
But look, when you buy
I know. Expecting. I actually been eating meat for the last couple of days. This is the sign they put up. Yeah. So what were they gonna spend 16 million on or something? If it do that? What is that? What is that?
Some gin or something. That's not right. That means that if you want, you should
care back. That's fine. Just touch down like NASA.